Okay. Okay. Food and digestions. Okay. What is food and digestion? Why do we eat food? To get energy and grow ourselves and keep ourselves fit and healthy. There's a three essence. Get energy and grow. Nutrients key things that are needed by our body. What is nutrients? Things that are needed by our body. কিসের জন্য? For health and growth. For what? Health and growth. What are the four main types of nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 for you. 5 different. What are the carbohydrates? Protein, fat, vitamin, mineral. Carbohydrates এর মধ্যে কি কি পড়ে? Sugar and starch. There are the two types. Who needs carbohydrates? Laborer, farmer, rickshaw puller. They need heavy physical work. ওরা অনেক কাজ করে, এজন্য ওদের ওটা লাগবে. Okay. Food rich in carbohydrates. Obviously you have to give example for everything. For carbohydrates, where can you get carbohydrates? Rice, potato, banana. Where will you get? Rice, potato, banana. Protein is for bodybuilding. What is protein for? Bodybuilding, for muscles, for growth, for damaged tissues, for growing children. Who needs more protein? Growing children, for grow. Where can you find growth food? For if you want to make muscles, eggs, fish, meat. Where will you get fat? Butter, ghee, oil and nut. What is fat for? They keep us warm, they give us more energy than carbohydrates, but energy গুলো আমরা সাথে সাথে ইউজ করতে পারি না, এনার্জি গুলো স্টোরড থাকে. So what is fat important? They give more energy in our diet and they keep us warm. Remember, our body need very little amount of fat. Excess fat can harm us. So আমাদের body বেশি fat ভালো না, only little amount of fat is good. Vitamin is for what? Disease and keep us healthy. Fight against disease. What does vitamin do? Fight against disease. Diseases থেকে fight করে to keep us healthy. Minerals কিসের জন্য? Protective food. What kind of food is minerals?
Protective food.
Mineral food. Where can you get it? Calcium, potassium, sodium, iron, iodine. These are some important minerals. Where will you get it? Vegetable, milk and cereal. Where will you get? Vegetable, milk and cereal. So for each type of food, there are 5 types of food, okay? For each food, you will say why is it important and where can you get it. Why is it important? Carbohydrates to give us energy. Where can you get it? Potato, rice, wheat. Proteins, why is it important? To grow. Where will you get it? Eggs, fish and meat. Then we have fats. Why is fats important? To keep us warm and give more energy. We need little amount of fat. We can get it in butter and ghee. For vitamins, then we have vitamins. Vitamins what? It helps us fight disease. It's a protective food. What kind of food? Protection food. It helps us fight disease. Where will you get it? Milk, fish and meats and eggs. Minerals is also protective. Where will you get it? Vegetable, milk and cereals. It is to help form bones, teeth and blood. Minerals কি হয়? Bone, হাড্ডি, teeth and blood. Calcium makes our teeth and bones strong. You can see calcium makes us teeth and bone strong. Okay. So that's the main 5 types of food. Now of course that's not all we eat. We also eat roughage, roughage and water. Roughage মানে কি? Food items that we get from plants. This is fiber. What is roughage? Food we get from plants. It helps remove undigested food from our body. What is the purpose? শরীরে যেসব খাবার হজম হয় না সেটাকে সরাই দিতে হেল্প করে. ওকে, যেটা তুমি যদি রাফেজ না খাও দেন it is a process. Food is broken down, simple and soluble substance. And তারপরে লাস্টে কি হয়? Absorbed by the body. Absorbed by the body. Process. Food is broken down. কি broken down করে কি হয়? Simple substance. Simple things. And then absorbed by the body. And then absorbed by the body. So as I was over here, for first mouth, then food pipe, stomach it mixes. Please focus here. Stomach it mixes, and then liver helps to break down fat through bile, and then it goes to pancreas, produces juices to help digest carbohydrates, fats and protein. Then it goes to small intestine, then it goes to large intestine, and then anus out. It is the out. It goes out from here. Extra water from it and from feces. Sorry, এখান থেকে পানি লার্জ ইন্টেস্টাইন থেকে কি করা হয়? ওয়াটার অ্যাবজর্ব করা হয় অ্যান্ড এখানে ফিসেস স্টোর করা হয়। সেমি সলিড ওয়েস্ট এখানে কি করা হয়? The process of digestion completes here. So where does it complete? The process of digestion completes here in small intestine. কোথায় the last part is junk food. This is French fries, chips and cake. It's unhealthy for us. What is this? It is no good thing is inside there. How can we do proper digestion? Balanced diet, regular interval, fresh and clean food, chew well before swallowing, 8 to 10 glasses of water, vegetables and fruits, avoid overeat. What is this question? Why do we need to cook food? To make the food more tasty. Tell me, food more tasty, soft and easy to digest, soft
and easy to digest,
and kill germs in the food. Yes. Again, and after we cook food, do we just keep it on the table and everywhere, or we keep it in the fridge?
we keep it in the
So this is a form of preservation. What is this called?
preservation.
What is preservation for? Process. It is also another process. Digestion was a process. Preservation is another process by which we can prevent the foods from getting spoiled. আমরা কি করি? Prevent করি food খাবার যাতে নষ্ট না হয় for a long time. So prevent from spoil. কি করি?
Prevent for spoil
From spoil
from small
for a long time.
for a long time.
Preservation is a process. That is how can we preserve? How can we? So আমের আচার খাইছো?
Right.
But if bottle করা হয়, drying করা হয়, pickling করা হয়. Learn this definition. Learn these points to remember. This is very important. Read it 10 times. Why do we eat food? To get energy. Why do you need 8 glasses to water every day? To keep our body hydrated. Why should we chew our food well? For easy digestion and absorption. Okay. Salad gives us fat, roughage, protein. Roughage. Salad দিয়ে কি body build করা যায়?
No.
Okay, salad খেলে কি fat হয়? No, it's for roughage, for easy. Digestive food is absorbed in small intestine. Stomach break down করা হয়, absorption হয় small intestine. Eggs is good for protein. Protective nutrients, protect করে, protein body build করে, carbohydrate energy দেয়, mineral আমাদেরকে protect করে. সার্কেল দি অড ওয়ান, এখানে উল্টাপাল্টা কি আছে? একটা ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাই, একটা চিপস, এটা হলো অ্যাপেল। তো অ্যাপেল হলো অন্যরকম, এই দুটো হলো জাঙ্ক ফুড। ঘি, পালসেস, অয়েল। ঘি আর অয়েল হলো ফ্যাট, পালসেস হলো ডাল, ডালের মধ্যে ডাল আলাদা, তেল আর ঘি সেম, সো পালসেস ইজ দ্য অড ওয়ান। আইস, লিভার, প্যানক্রিয়াস, লিভার অ্যান্ড প্যানক্রিয়াস ডাইজেশন। আইস, চোখ দিয়ে কি খাবার ডাইজেশন করে? আম কি চোখের ভিতর ঢুকায় দেওয়া? Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Okay, you can do this yourself. Now rest, you can study from the notes. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, you can check the picture and do it by yourself at home to learn. Is this clear? MCQ questions, long questions. I think the rest you should learn.